Hello, today I'm bringing you a quick tip for Blender that bothered me for way too long before I figured out how to fix it. If you are somebody who works with appending things into other scenes a lot, and you notice that Blender is freezing at seemingly regular intervals for a reason you can't figure out, like you can see I have all this stuff appended here, and when I press play we get 144 frames here. Grabbing the fridge, it moves just fine. So you're going to wonder why clearly your computer can handle the scene, but for some reason, every so often, every time you click on something to select it, Blender will just freeze up for like 15 seconds. The problem and solution here is the autosave function. Simply go to Edit, Preferences, Save and Load, and turn off autosave. If you're somebody who never ever works with appended objects into a new scene, then this really shouldn't be a problem, but this bothered me for way too long, and finally fixing this issue was something that was such a relief to me. If you've also been having this problem, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.